Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn how to classify things in your daily life. That means putting things into groups that are the same in some way. This helps us stay organized at home, at work, and in school. Classifying is just a fancy word for putting things into groups. We do it all the time by color, size, or type. It helps us make sense of the world. Even if we don't say the word classified, we do it all the time, like when we do laundry or organize groceries. Let's look at some real examples. We group things when we do laundry, clean the house, or cook. Here are some everyday items. On the list of items we have apple, broom, pants, banana, soap, socks, orange, shirt, and sponge. What goes together? Which things are for cleaning? Which things are clothes? Which things are food? Group these items. Here's one way to group the items. There's no one right answer, but this is a clear way. We group food together, cleaning tools together, and clothes together. Now, let's try writing. For each group, write a short sentence about what the items have in common. Here are sentences that you can write. I'll read the sentences. Ready? Let us begin. These are fruits that we eat. These are things we use to clean. These are clothes we wear. I see an apple. The broom is yellow. This sponge is small. You only need a few words. Keep it simple. Now it's your turn. Look at the list of items again. Sort them into 2 or 3 groups. Then write a sentence about each group. You can do it. Let's check your work. Go over these questions one at a time. Did you group all 9 items? Did each group have something in common? Did you write one clear sentence for each group? Do your sentences say what the items have in common? If you said yes to most of these, great job. If not, go back and try again. This is how we learn. Classifying is a skill you use every day. It helps you stay organized, make decisions, and even learn faster. It's a small skill with big benefits. Great job. You did it. You've learned how to classify items in everyday life and describe your groups in writing. That's a big step. Keep practicing by sorting things around your home or workspace. The more you use this skill, the better you'll get. Well done. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 26. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take time every day to review this lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've enjoyed this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.